Lavenders appreciate a sunny exposure, poor, dry, calcareous soil. Propagation by cuttings is an advantageous way to replace an aging lavender. Lavenders are pruned after flowering so that they maintain a rounded, dome-shaped silhouette. This is also the time to take cuttings in the garden to renew old lavenders or create a small fragrant border for the next season and propagate new plants. To make a cutting, you essentially need clean, sharp pruning shears, a transparent plastic bottle, a 10 centimeters diameter pot, clay pebbles, ready to use, semi-cutting compost, a spray bottle, and a small dibber. In addition, you should also ensure that everything is ready. Before taking cuttings, drain the pot with a layer of clay pebbles. Fill the pot with semi-cutting compost. Soak the cutting generously for minutes before propagation. Cuttings are done at the end of summer because it is the beginning of the hardening off period, which is the transition from a tender herbaceous state to a woody state. Less fragile, the cutting roots more easily during this period. Take the top stems of approximately 10 to 15 centimeters in length. Carefully remove the leaves located on the lower half of the length. A buried leaf causes the cutting to rot. Make 3 pilot holes with the dibber, carefully and gently, with precision and care. Carefully insert the cuttings to a depth of about 2 to 3 centimeters. Firm the substrate gently around the stem. Spray the foliage with non-calcareous water, preferably rainwater. Enclose the cuttings under a transparent plastic bottle for a closed environment, meaning without outside air. Keep the cap closed for a week. The lavenders have generally taken root when new leaves usually appear, which is generally after 3 weeks. You then remove the plastic bottle. To find the best moisture for a lavender cutting, check your pot. If it's a clay pot and it's light colored all the way to the bottom, it needs water. If it is dark all the way to the top, it has too much water. Normally, you should be 1 or 2 centimeters below the surface of your pot. If it lacks water, of course, you water it around or over the top. If it has too much water, you don't water it.